What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your Wi-Fi password on your mobile phone. So what you need to do first is go to your Wi-Fi settings like that. After going to your Wi-Fi settings, what you need to do next is click on the settings icon like that. Okay, please follow the all steps I am showing you to find your Wi-Fi password. After doing so, what you need to do is find the QR code. What you need to do to QR code, tapping on it. After clicking on it, you have to screenshot it, otherwise you can save this image. I'm going to screenshot it like that. After taking the screenshot, we need to extract this QR code. So what you need to do next is click or go to on your browser. After going to your browser, you need to search a website, that QR code scanner. After searching that, you need to scroll down and go to on this website called QR code scanner. Okay, after clicking this, what we need to do is upload this QR code to find the password. After clicking on upload QR code, you have to find your picture you just saved or screenshotted. I am going to browse. You have to click on browse. Then here you can see here is the screenshot I just saved from my Wi-Fi settings. After doing so, upload the QR code. Here you can see this is my Wi-Fi password and Wi-Fi network name. You can see that the website just create this password from me. So this is how you can find your Wi-Fi password from your mobile phone. I hope you like this video, you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe this channel. Peace.